Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and apps vying for your attention? From task management to note-taking, there seems to be a digital solution for every productivity challenge. But what if there was a single app that could seamlessly integrate all of these functions, offering a personalized and efficient workspace? Today, we're diving into the world of Notion, a versatile tool that's rapidly gaining popularity among individuals and teams alike. Imagine having a digital workspace that's as flexible and adaptable as your thoughts. A place where you can jot down ideas, collaborate with colleagues, and track your progress towards goals. That's the promise of Notion. But before we delve into the specifics, let's address the burning question. What exactly is Notion and why should you care? Introducing Notion. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a customizable workspace that allows you to organize your thoughts, projects, and tasks in a way that works best for you. It's like having a digital notebook, a project management tool, and a wiki all rolled into one. At its core, Notion is built around the concept of blocks, which are the fundamental building blocks of your workspace. These blocks can be anything from text and images to databases and calendars. Key use cases. Now that we have a basic understanding of Notion, let's explore some of its most common use cases. Personal productivity. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or simply looking to improve your organization skills, Notion can be a game changer. You can create daily planners, track your habits, and even build personal knowledge bases. Team collaboration. Notion is a great tool for teams of all sizes. You can create shared workspaces, assign tasks, and collaborate on projects in real time. The app's database feature is particularly useful for tracking project progress and managing resources. Knowledge management. Notion can serve as a central hub for all of your knowledge. You can create databases to store research notes, articles, and other important information. The app's linking and tagging features make it easy to connect related pieces of content. Project management. If you're managing complex projects, Notion can help you keep everything organized. You can create project timelines, assign tasks to team members, and track project progress. Key features. To understand why Notion is so versatile, let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Databases. Databases are at the heart of Notion. They allow you to create and manage lists of items, such as tasks, projects, or contacts. You can customize the properties of each item, making it easy to filter, sort, and view data. Linking and referencing. Notion's linking and referencing features make it easy to connect related pieces of content. You can link to pages within your workspace, as well as external resources. Templates. Notion offers a variety of pre-built templates to help you get started. These templates can be customized to suit your specific needs. Integrations. Notion integrates with a wide range of other apps, including Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This makes it easy to import and export data and to automate workflows. Creating a Notion workspace. Now that we've explored some of Notion's key features, let's dive into the process of creating a Notion workspace. We'll start by discussing the basics of the Notion interface, and then we'll walk through the process of creating a simple project management template. Customization and personalization. One of the things that sets Notion apart is its flexibility. You can customize your workspace to suit your personal style and preferences. From changing the theme to adding custom icons, there are countless ways to make Notion your own. Best practices and tips. To get the most out of Notion, it's important to follow some best practices. We'll discuss tips for staying organized, using databases effectively, and collaborating with others. Notion is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you organize your life and work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply looking to improve your productivity, Notion has something to offer. By understanding the app's key features and best practices, you can create a personalized workspace that works for you. So, are you ready to give Notion a try? If you're looking for a flexible and customizable workspace that can help you stay organized and productive, Notion is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips and tech reviews. Until next time.